Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie.
My name is Jasmine.
And today we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for what month?
July.
Of
2018.
2018.
July.
Yeah, July. Okay. Alright, so we've already tried filming this video and it messed up. So we're trying to do it again. Are you trying to get in on everybody? Yeah? Okay. But we thought we'd just go ahead and do it outside today because it is pretty warm and we've got a lot of running to do.
And we're doing it on the table.
Yeah, and we thought we would do it inside, but we just thought we'd come outside and do something very casual.
Yeah, so my dad can sleep.
Yep, so anyways, we'll go ahead and start. And again...
And...
Okay, so what is that?
This is...
I like that.
This is $15. 50.
No, it's 05. It's
05.
Alright, so let me help her. Wait, hold on a minute. Here, open it. Open it like this. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so we're having some technical issues with our helper over here. But for this month, while she's opening that, we did get another trifold card. Yeah, a trifold card. And this does tell everything that you get in your box. I know there was a couple of variants for this box, so pretty excited to show what I've got this month. And comment down below what you received as well and what your favorite item was. Okay, let's try this. So this is the Note blush. Show the back, baby. Okay. So, okay, here, open it. Voila. There you go. Just show it to him. So that's what it looks like. And I received the color Desert Rose. Are you showing the brush? Okay, no. Okay, you can back up now, sweetheart. So I did receive the color Desert Rose. Don't know if there was any other variations of the color or not, but you do get a good size mirror, and this is a really pretty packet, or a really pretty color that I had received. Okay, so she's wanting to show the next thing. And this is worth $12 too. Go ahead and show the next thing. What is it?
It is... What is it?
That is Tarte.
It's Tarte.
Hold on a minute. Ready. Set.
It's Tarte.
What? It's Ready Set Radiant.
Ready Set
Radiant. Yep. It is a skin mist.
And
can you spray it?
That was on an accident.
I know it was on an accident, baby. It's alright. You want mommy to help you out with that? We're recording this on my phone. Here, mommy help you. Look, just push.
Can I do it?
Here, you can. Here, put your finger there and mommy help you. Okay, look. Oh. Oh wait, now it does have a scent. I smell it now. Not too crazy about that smell. But that is from Tarte. It is a full size, as you can see. And that is worth $25. It says it's an antioxidant packed cucumber, fruit, and plant extract. I think I smell the cucumber strongly. It says it delivers a radiant, dewy finish for a lip from within luminosity. Oh, are you seriously smelling the mascara? So, as you can see, we did receive a mascara. You want to show it first? There you go. Okay. So this is, while she's showing it, it is by the brand Wonder Beauty. It's an Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It does retail for $24. There is something that I want to show on this. Hold on, baby. Wait just a moment, okay? So, as you can see, the packaging is very different than usual, but packaging, yeah. But this one has a curved wand. I don't know how well that can pick up on this. But it is in the color black. I've not used it yet, and I'm really excited to use it.
Somebody's coming.
So I did just pause the video because it's not the idea of somebody coming like she was excited about. It's just that where I live in Kentucky, a lot of people think that they have to have really loud vehicles, and I don't want that to interfere with my video, especially where I'm outside. So the next thing that we'll go ahead and show is, alright, like this, okay? Wait. Yep, like that, and then kind of flip it over. I'll tell you in a minute, okay? Here, hold it up to where they can see it, baby. Okay, so that is another full size from Dr. Brandt. It says
Dr.
Brandt.
Dr. Brandt.
Yep. This is a no more baggage.
No more baggage.
It's an ID puffing gel. Can you say that? No. So that is worth $42. It is full size.
$42.
Yeah, $42. Be more in the video with me.
Yeah.
I'm going to scooch over here. So I've not tried this yet. I don't generally use eye creams. What are you doing?
It won't squeeze up.
Hold on a minute. Well, you can't. You gotta start kind of like at the middle and squeeze. Oh, oh!
Can you put some on my finger?
Yes, hold on just a minute. There you go.
Now put it on your...
Yeah, go ahead and put it on your arm. It's orange.
Orange.
I don't know about that. It smells
good.
You think it smells good?
But
it does shear out to pretty much nothing.
Nothing.
I don't know about that.
Do you like it?
I don't know.
Does it smell good?
You think it smells good? You do?
Do you?
I don't know.
No.
Nope. Mm-mm.
No.
And then our next box, or the next item that we got in the box is, so what is this? You tell me what it is. When we was first doing the video, she thought it was eyeliner. And then she thought it was highlighter. I guess because that's what she's used to me either buying or getting. I'm not really sure.
It is...
Neither one.
It is...
It's eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
It's an eyebrow product.
Eyebrow popping.
Product.
Yup.
This is by Chella Beauty. This is an eyebrow cream. And it is worth $26. No, you don't put your finger in there. So this one is kind of a different eyebrow cream than what I've ever seen. So you get a brush. So it actually comes apart. So you do get a brush on one end that you can put in here. And then this end actually contains the cream. I don't know if you can see it or not. So this is the part that contains the actual product. So I've never used anything like this. So I guess you would just dip your brush in there. Yeah, like that. And you don't have to be so hard and you know. And then, okay, so she actually did get some product. Okay. But I got mine in the color. What color is this? Let's see what color this is, baby. Can you say taupe?
Taupe.
So I got mine in the color taupe.
Taupe. Taupe.
And I mean,
juice.
You can get a juice in a minute. She's dying for a juice. But this is the color. I don't know how well. That looks really warm. I don't know how well that'll do for. I don't smell nothing. Am I supposed to smell something? So, okay. So that is the color taupe there. You want to show them your taupe? That's so. But that is the Boxycharm that I got for this month.
Can we wipe it off?
Yes, here in a minute we can wipe it off. So, it has been so much fun doing this with her. Okay, can't see my face, can't see my face. But thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I will try to have a couple more videos uploaded. I know I've not uploaded in the last couple of weeks. I've had some things going on in my personal life that's, you know, kind of put this to a back seat. But thanks so much for watching.
My mommy's hot. What?
And on that note, I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.